Would you like to eliminate the worry and uncertainty of selling your home? I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty, and I've got the solution with Quick Buy. You will receive a reliable cash offer for your qualified home in just a matter of days. Close on your timeline in as few as 14 days from offer acceptance. Bypass showings and the time and expense needed to ready the home for market. Sell in 4 simple steps. As your local agent, I will visit your home and walk you through the process to answer any and all of your questions and prepare a market analysis. Next, and within 2 days, an independent Quick Buy research is completed and the offer is presented. Then once you accept the offer, a standard home inspection is performed and reviewed. Finally, you choose to move forward with the sale of your home, closing in as few as 14 days. Want to test the market and try for a higher price? Ask me about Quick Buy Lock, with up to 150 days to sell your home on the market, but with the assurance of a cash offer in hand. With Quick Buy, you control your home sale. If the immediate offer from Quick Buy doesn't suit your needs, I'll present other home sale options. If you're planning a move and want to consider all your options, reach out to me and my team, Deb Grimme, Edina Realty, and HomesInTwinCities.com, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great buying and selling day.